Here's your newly registered SignNow account. Let's go over what you can do with it. To get started, upload or drag and drop a document from your device. You can instantly send your uploaded document for signing by clicking Prepare and Send. Customize your invite by adding as many signers and signing steps as you need and defining the signing order. Then, start adding fields. There are two types of fields in SignNow: fillable for document signers and editable for document senders. Each field you add is assigned to a specific user. You can set each field as required or optional and specify field validators to ensure your recipients can only fill in a specific data type. If you need to sign a document before sending it, add your signature any way you like. Type your full name, draw a signature using your mouse or trackpad, or upload an image of your handwritten signature from your device. Once ready, click Save and Invite. In the new window, choose whether you'd like recipients to receive your invite in the order they're signing the document or at the same time. Customize invite emails, protect your document by adding authentication methods, set up a document expiration date and automated reminders, allow your recipients to forward the document or even decline your invite. Add people that will receive completed document copies and select what you'd like SignNow to do once the document is signed. Once all is set, send your invite. SignNow allows you to create templates of your most used documents to instantly share them with recipients as many times as you need. Click Create Invite Link to copy your document's link and distribute it among recipients, even those without a SignNow account. Each person will sign their copy, and every signed copy will appear in your documents folder. Use document groups if you need to bundle documents together, send a group of documents to a single signer, or create signing steps for multiple signers across multiple documents. To start collaborating on documents jointly, create a team and invite your colleagues. As a team admin, you can add or delete users, view shared documents and templates, and more. Visit our Help Center if you need more help with SignNow. Start a live chat or submit a new support request, and our support team will contact you as soon as possible. Give SignNow a try and begin automating your e-signature workflows today.